Hello everyone, my name is Hadi. I'm from class C12. This video made for assignment English lesson and also for practice my English pronunciation. In here, I will tell you about my interest and telling my story. I'm interested for something as quiet like library. Last Monday in the morning, I went to go the regional library on Soekarno Hatta Street, and I chose books and read in there. Not only that, I'm also interested to visit an art museums and watching music concerts because my girlfriend likes it, so she brought me to like a same thing. My girlfriend ever tell me the story. My girlfriend ever tell me the story that the last year when she came a music concert, it was so exciting. She didn't realize if the shoes and pants are dirty when she watching a concert. But actually, I was interested in football a long time ago, but I had bad experience about it. 7 years ago, I injured my ankle, so I couldn't play football for a while because my opponent played wrong and tried to knock me out. At the time, I felt upset, angry, and disappointed. The one on my leg has recovered, but that bad experience made I declare that I was not liking body contact sport. I was not liking that body contact sport, especially football.